Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to the Booyah Show. So today guys, we're going to prepare pilau. We are going to use this onion plus the spring onion, 1 cube, green pepper, ginger and garlic, tropical heat, pilau masala, my boiled meat. I have my 2 blended tomatoes, rice. This is 1.5 cup plus fresh fry cooking oil. Welcome to my channel guys. Please subscribe, share and comment. So we are going to start by adding our oil. This is what I'm using to measure my oil. So I'm going to measure 2.5 cups. Remember guys, when you're cooking pilau, you need to use a little bit more oil compared to other dishes. So I'm using 2.5 of these. That. So the next thing, I'm going to add my onions. I'll start by adding this one. Is it the red onion? I'll start by adding the red onion first. So after 2 minutes, I'll add my spring onion. So I'm going to add my spring onions after the red onion is a bit softer. So for this, I'm going to stir until everything is golden brown. As you can see, my onions are brown, a little bit brown. So I'm going to add my ginger and garlic. Garlic, whatever. So I'm going to wait for the ginger and garlic to be brown. Just added my dania stems. It will bring me a good aroma for my rice. So at this point, everything is almost ready. I'm going to add my blended tomatoes, 2 tomatoes. So I've just added my tomatoes, and I'll also add my 1 Royco cube. Then it will go in with my masala, the pilau masala. I've just put 1 spoon. I just put 1 spoon. I've used 1 spoon of pilau masala, tropical heat. It's a bit spicy and very nice and yummy. So I'll stir for a little bit. Next, I'm going to add my boiled meat. And then salt to taste, depending on the amount of food you're cooking. That's enough for me. So at this point, I'm now going to add my green peppers. So if you want miji, you can now add your miji here, but today I'm not going to use miji. So at this point, everything is ready, and I'm going to add my broth. So this is 3 cups, since I used 1.5 cup of rice. So I will let this to boil, and then I'll add my rice. guys, this is our end result of our pilau, and I'm going to eat my pilau with my kachumbari and a little bit of avocado. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye until my next video. See you guys.